Virtual machine is a system-based simulation of a physical computer. It's possible to run multiple virtual machine on a single physical system. There are some components of the virtual machine. We have the virtual CPU, which is the it can be a simulation of the physical system CPU. It helps to aid calculation on the virtual machine. We have the virtual memory. This is the memory assigned to the virtual machine to help manage run its operating system, manage its applications. We have the virtual network interface card. Virtual interface card helps the virtual machine to connect to the host machine and other virtual machines or external networks. We have the virtual storage. This is a storage space that's allocated to the um, virtual machines. It can also be a cloud-based storage solution. We have the general operating system. The operating system is the operating system of the virtual machines. Mostly is very different from the operating system of the physical system. So that is that for the rules. Now the virtual machine is profitable. It can be leveraged in a business setting, and the ways of it serves as a it helps to bring about a sandbox environment which helps to it helps with isolation. It's possible to isolate apps on the virtual machine to test different kinds of sensitive data and apps without endangering the environment. It helps to save time also. Like instead of working with multiple physical machines, we can use a virtual machine to run. We can run multiple virtual machines on a physical system. It saves costs. It's efficient. It's flexible. It's easy to back up. And if anything should happen to one of the virtual machine, if anything should happen to one of the virtual machines, it doesn't affect the others. Just like Netflix. Netflix, for example, now uses the virtual machine to run some tests before providing the services to the users. Then there are difference between several roles and features. The server role, one of them is the domain controller, which serves as a manages security and access for the users on the network, the network on the device. We have the DHCP server, which helps to assign IP address to various networks on the device. We have the web server, which helps to host web services and web applications. We have the file server, which helps in it helps to provide storage for files and provides file sharing capabilities. We have the file server, web server, domain controller, DHCP server. We have the print server, which manages printing services and print share. Then the features. One of the features include installing software that helps to improve the capabilities of the server. An example of a software is the Windows PowerShell, which helps in provides automated tasks, which helps in managing automation of tasks and configuration. Okay, then the last one. Okay, the Active Directory domain. The Active Directory it provides a kind of like a structured environment where we can provide and provide a structured environment, an organized environment where objects like the users, objects on the network like the users, the computers, and the administrators, the containers are being arranged in a way that we can have easy understanding. So the Active Directory, um, it's used to manage the identity. It helps to manage the identity of the users, authorization, accessibility. Then it's it helps to uh, manage the resources, and then it helps the administrator to apply and implement the policies.